Hello students, today I am going to discuss the topic spheres. So coming to the definition of a sphere, the set of points in a space which are at a constant distance from a fixed point is called a sphere. So that is the definition of sphere. Okay. So coming to the diagram, I have represented point C as a fixed point and all the points around the C are at a constant distance from C. Here constant distance is nothing but the distance from C to each and every point around the C should be equal. Okay. So this is the definition of the sphere. Okay. Here the fixed point C is called the center of the sphere and the constant distance. So whatever we are saying, the constant distance, that constant distance is called the radius of the sphere. Okay. Right. So coming to the next definition, that is a sphere is said to be unit sphere if its radius is 1 unit. If its radius is 1 unit, it means the constant distance should be 1 unit. Okay. So then we say that that sphere is a unit sphere. Okay. So coming to the next point, that is a sphere is said to be a point sphere if its radius is 0. If its radius is 0, it means so this is the point circle, sorry, point sphere. So we are not having radius, just we call that a point as a point sphere. Okay, whenever the radius is 0, we call that sphere as a point sphere. Okay, right. Next, so node points. I want to discuss some node points regarding spheres. So note down the first one. The Cartesian equation of the sphere with center C is equal to x1 comma y1 comma z1 and radius small a is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square is equal to a square. So this is the equation of the sphere with the center x1, y1, z1 and radius small a. Of course, the Cartesian equation of the sphere with the center and radius. Whenever we have given center and radius, if you want to find the equation of the sphere, so then we can use this particular formula. Okay, right. So coming to the next node point, that is the second one. If u square plus v square plus w square minus t greater than or equal to 0, then the equation then the equation x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0 plus d is equal to 0 represents a sphere with the center minus u comma minus v comma minus w and radius is equal to square root of, so u square plus v square plus w square minus d under root. So whenever we are having a sphere equation of the form x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0, if you want to find the center and radius for that particular sphere, so then the formula to find the center is minus u minus v and minus w. It is nothing but, so we have to reduce the coefficient of x, y, z to half. Okay, so if we are having two if we are having the coefficient of x as 2u, then we have to write half of the coefficient, and also we have to change the sign of the coefficient. If we are having a plus sign, we have to write it minus, so that we get minus u minus v and minus w. This is the formula to find the center of the sphere. And coming to the radius, so the formula for radius is square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Okay, so this is note 2. So coming to the note 3, the equation x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0 of a sphere is called the general equation of the sphere. Is called the general equation of the sphere. Okay, so we call this particular equation as the general equation of the sphere. If you want to write the general equation of the sphere, then we have to write this particular equation. Okay, right. Coming to the fourth note point, the equation of the sphere of a sphere with center, origin and radius small a is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. Okay, so this is the equation of the sphere with the center at origin and radius small a. Okay, it means center is nothing but in note 1 we have to put in place of x1 y1 and z1 as 0 0 0, so then we get x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. So these are the very important note points regarding spheres. Okay, so today we have discussed about the definition of the sphere, and of course if you want to say a sphere is a unit sphere if its radius is 1 unit. So whenever a sphere is having a radius of 1 unit, then we say that sphere is an unit sphere. Similarly, if you want to say a sphere is a point sphere, its radius should be 0. It means the radius should be 0. So it means that particular sphere is called point sphere. Okay, so after that we have discussed some note points regarding spheres. The first one is whenever we are having center and radius, then we can find the equation of the sphere in Cartesian form. And after that, whenever we are having a sphere equation in this form, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus t is equal to 0. So then we can write center and radius by using these formulas. Okay, right. Thank you.